The school feeding programs in Kenyan schools have been dogged by a myriad of challenges, funding and resource management being the main ones. In Nairobi County, political scrutiny on the Dishi Na County program is from every corner, and the county officials have been put on their toes. The program is courtesy of a partnership between the Nairobi County government and Food for Education. But just how exactly does the program work, and why are politicians training their guns on Sakaja's pet project? NTV's Brian Mushiri traversed the breadth and width of the county and now reports.
Nairobi City County Governor Johnson Sakaja campaigned against the backdrop of bringing back dignity and order to Nairobi City, the city under the sun. One of his flagship projects was the school feeding program, a one-of-a-kind where the county government is expected to pay the bigger chunk of a plate of food for a child, and parents in Nairobi pay 5 shillings per plate of food.
Your Excellency, this thing must work. There's no other way. It must work. These children deserve the same that your children have and that my children have.
So just how does the Dishi Na County program work? My first stop was at County Chief Officer in charge of Health, Wellness and Nutrition, Susan Silantoi. The Dishi Na County program is her baby. She takes me through the step-by-step process on how the meal is sourced, prepared and finally served on a child's plate.
So we adopted that as a county government and implemented it across the county, whereby we would co-share the cost of the meal between ourselves, that is the county government, hopefully also the national government, and parents as well. So yes, and we've seen quite a bit of where the program was first piloted in Dagoretti South. We saw an increase in enrollment. Quite a number of kids actually came back to school just because of the availability of food.
It's lunchtime at Dandora Primary School, and the children are elated. On this particular day, Governor Johnson Sakaja is present to oversee the feeding program.
Children are missing school because of food. All interventions that have been there previously by the government before, all interventions focused on arid and semi-arid areas. But no one ever thought of the child in the city, the urban poor.
The different stakeholders, including parents, have intimated that the project has lifted a huge load of pressure off their shoulders. The Dishi Na County program has come under heavy scrutiny by politicians and leaders alike, including Embakasi East legislator Babu Owino, Langata Member of Parliament Jalango, and Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna. They have all raised audit queries with the monies contributed by parents within the county and the money appropriated by the national and county governments. A matter Silantoi brushes off as mere politics.
The kids who actually feed from this program, the parents who have saved money because of this program, the people who we have employed because of this program are actually the people who see the impact that is there. The
county government of Nairobi maintains that there will be at least one big kitchen built in every sub-county in Nairobi. Brian Mushiri, NTV.